Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how to properly export characters from Blender to Godot 4 without any issues related to scale, bones or animations. I'll be exporting a character and a dog. When using our character model pack, the structure will look a little different. If you're not very confident with Blender, you can watch a detailed video in which we explain how to move the character to 0 coordinates and add the required animation to it. You will find the link to the video in the description of the video. First, check the rig. Its position should be reset. The scale should be 1 by 1.1 and all other transforms should be zeroed out. If need, press Ctrl+A, apply all transform. Perfect. Now we are ready to export. For Godot, the best format is GLTF or GLB. Go to File, Export GLTF. In the Export setting, enable Selected Object. Found Armature section and enable Export Deformation Bones only. Also, enable Animation Export and select NLA Tracks. Set the character name and export it to separate folder. Do the same for the dog. Done. Open Godot, drag the file into the project window. The import process will begin. After it finished, you see the character was imported along with its materials and textures. Now, let's check the animations. Double-click the character file. In the opening scene, you see the list of animations. Great. Everything worked correctly. Repeat the same steps for the dog. As you can see, all animations play properly. That's it. Thanks for watching.